This is my quick all you need to know review of these nail polish remover clips. I love do-it-yourself manicures at home, and when I got my equipment I wanted something minimalistic and elegant. I found these white semi-clear clips on Amazon, and they are absolutely perfect for soaking off gel nails. They come in a pack of 10, and the clips have the perfect pressure to stay on your nails. They are also wide enough for many different sizes of fingers. This is how I use them with nail polish. First I soak the nail polish and then I wrap it in tin foil. It doesn't really matter how tightly you fold the tin foil, because the clips will help keep pressure on. What I really like about these clips is that I can press them with my fingers afterwards to make the pressure harder or looser. As you can see, they fit perfectly. I usually keep them on for about 10 to 15 minutes for soaking, and if the clips need more pressure, I just press it with my fingers. I am someone that cares about both functionality and style, so these are perfect for me. If you want something minimalistic and beautiful for your home nail station, these are the perfect clips for you.